right, boom, baby. So it's starting to get hot, of course, already, super early. For some reason, the outlets aren't working, so the fan's not working. So I decided to get creative with the umbrellas. So hopefully that'll do the trick. But check this out. Ba-ba! Yeah! So special thanks to my Patreons. Thank you to anyone that supports the channel, shares, likes, all that good stuff. This is from my patrons, so I really appreciate it. We're going to get this bad boy installed, and we still have to get the wheels off, still have to paint the wheels, and do the brakes too. So we also have to still fix that one muffler that's on the side. So boom, baby. Okay, so my thought was something like this. Put it right there. That way everything lines up. I made sure to get the black, white, and yellow combination to match everything else. But let's check it out. Boom. fan, it's super hot. But let's see if this bad boy works. First, we've got, that's on. Oh, looks like we've got power. Turn those off. Come on. Uh-oh, let's check. Everything seems okay here. Okay. Take this bad boy off. All right, let's try again. Everything works. Check it out. All right, so that's going. Watch the tach. Tach's rolling. Boom. All right, everything seems good. Turn it off because I forgot about the leak. Ah. I forgot we got the leak here, but that's going to be on the to-do list too. So thank you guys for watching. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So the next thing we got to do is bolt up the remaining muffler, run the exhaust out the sides, fix the heater core that's over here leaking now, and then the brakes, as well as the new lug nuts. So thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate everybody. Thank you to my subscribers, my patrons. Really appreciate my patrons. I do have stickers coming out. I ran them, but they ended up getting messed up, so I had to rerun them. But those are coming for my patrons. Thank you. Like, subscribe, share, and boom, baby.